stuff. It's fun. And you can you can. Those used to be cool, but see that stuff. It's cool. I don't know where you take it. Just. Yeah. And look at that door. Look, I can change and put it back on. And what else I can do is I have a box and it has my stuff in it. And whatever. These all. And you want to hear this fun song? You want to hear it? You want to hear it? Okay. You just put it on.
All you kept saying was eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. So like John called me the next morning, like, dude, like, where were you last night? I was like, I was there. He was like, oh yeah.
It's fun.
And he was like, remember that tune they were playing? I'm like, I don't remember anything, man.
Actually, that was funny. And you got stuff in here. You have to walk it. You have to stuff in things and stuff. There. I got this gun. But it's cool. It's cool. And look at that stuff. It's cool. Huh? The phone's at the top. Yeah. Five things. Oh, if I or that question. What did you think was 100,000 noise? I'm just gonna fly out of this place. I'm gonna go to someone else's place. First, pick this up.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Attack helicopter! This is what you get for killing me!
Rave, repeat.
Suddenly I think I'm on the phone. Suddenly I think
This is what you get again!
but I'm not. I'm just dancing.
Daddy, I have cooler stuff than you do. I have a lot of cool stuff. I'm not kept to cry because I didn't even cry when we were playing. I'm just I'm gonna leave. I'm on my own team. I'm just gonna leave the team. Daddy, I can leave my team on my sofa. I'm gonna keep. There's only one guy on my sofa. That is me. Should call it tax. Have you ever heard of Captain Clyde Dax?